And hello everyone, I'm Lord Squirrel, and I'm here to show you how to make a face set, a generated face set, in RPG Maker MV. What is RPG Maker MV? It is the latest in the RPG Maker game making engines, though if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. I don't know why I decided to go on a tangent and tell you guys about that. And I apologize for any background noise. Continuing on. So, people have been asking lately, how do you make a face set out of RPG Maker MV? It's incredibly simple. So, we come into this character generator. We see all the different options. We have face, front hair, all that, etc., clothing, you know. But what a lot of people want to make a face set. What is a face set? I will show you what a face set is. Let's open this up. Go to Actors, Herald. And this is basically what a face set is right here. It is usually 1 to 8 faces, and it's usually standard in the RPG Maker when it comes new is it's just a bunch of different faces. But what a lot of people like to do is make different emotions or faces, and that's something we can do fairly easily with the new RPG Maker MV character generator. So we have this face. We'll just use this default face. We're going to go into face image and export it. We'll name it Bob. Oops. Anyway, that's Bob. So as you can see, Bob is kind of floating in a void here by himself. He has no one else here to talk to, like giant floating heads do. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Anyway, what we want to do is we want to make, let's say, 2 other faces for Bob to have in here. So, we're going to close this out. We're going to go to here and change what Bob looks like. I'm going to change him to, let's go with this. And he's very indifferent at the moment. Maybe slightly irksome. Anyway, as you can see, right here, well, I'll show you what happened if we just export to Bob. Let's export Bob. Import. That's what Bob looks like now. We have completely overridden what his face looked like beforehand. So, what do we do if we want to make the face set? This is what we do. Go in, change his facial expressions again. Let's make his nose bigger. Do it like that, and go back to the face image. You want to click over here next to where this first slot is, and then you want to import Bob. Yes, you want to import him. You don't want to have him, you don't want to export over him. That's the main thing that happens when people are trying to figure this out. They always hit export and then never think to use the import. Or if they do import, this is what happens. They have the face already over that face and it looks like nothing happened. So, just remember to do that. We'll export again. Save to Bob. Import. And that is now Bob. We'll do one more face, just to show you guys how it works. You do not need to change the face. You do not need to, like, change every single aspect of the face in order for this to work, just in case someone was confused, which there usually is a few people that are confused about that kind of thing. So we'll change him to looking like that. We'll change his mouth to going like... He's completely off his rocker right now. And we'll do it again. Import, export. Bada bing, bada boom, we have Bob. So I hope that helped people who were not... This is a fairly simple thing to do. I don't know why so many people don't know how to do it, but I hope this helped people who didn't know how to do it. Honestly, people, if you're trying to figure something out, usually all you have to do is search around and try a few things in the Maker. Anyway, I'm Lord Squirrel. I hope you guys have a fun day, and I hope you have a fun time with your RPG Maker projects. See you later.